Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video series, we are going to print our third program of control statement. So let us look at the program. So we have to print pass or fail according to the condition. So if your mark is greater or equal to 40, then you are pass, otherwise you are fail. So in the previous video, we have already solved this program using single line if statement, single line if else statement, and multi-line if statement. But in this video we are going to print this program using multi-line if else statement. So let us look at the syntax. So syntax of if else statement is if then expression then print the statement first, else print the statement second, in last end if. And in last we use end if because simply it terminates the multi-line if statement. So simply multi-line if statement is used to execute a block of the statement based on the evaluation of an expression that must be either true or false. Like if our mark is greater equal to 40, then print your pass, else print your fail and end if. So this is our program. So let us look at the program. So first of all CLS, then we need mark. So we use input command to enter the mark. So input enter your marks. Suppose mark is yum, then use condition. Suppose if mark is greater equal to 40, then print pass, else print fail, then we use end if, then in last end. So this is our program. So when we enter the mark, so it's simply stored in this variable yum. So simply it checks if your mark is greater equal to 40, then print pass, else if your mark is less than 40, then print fail. So run it. So first of all it create .exe file, then it print the program. So enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 88, so pass. So you are pass. We can also add here one more line like print you are pass and congrats. And here we can also one more line like print work hard. So once check this program, so enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 50, so pass, congrats. Check once, run, enter your mark. Suppose your mark is 26, then fail, work hard. So our program is right. So thank you for watching this video.